All right, starting off what we sold on eBay, we got the Jordan 4 Retros, the Oreo white, size 10. Sold 2 pairs of this one on same buyer, and he picked it up like 2 pairs of size 10, and they supposed to sell also ship out also size 11, but unfortunately, man, I can't keep up with the inventory. So the I'm supposed to ship out also size 11, but then sold out already on 11. So that's what it is. Next one. All right, next one is all the Jordan 12. It is the grade school Jordan 12 right here. Okay, so we got here the Jordan 12 Retrogrades school, the Arctic hyper pink. There you go, hyper pink. So kind of having kind of regrets before when I picked this up, but then again, hey, still coming out. So last pair. And how much did I sold this one? By the way, sold this one for, I bought it for 140, and then I made a profit of $30. Sold it for 170. So next one, looking for the Air Force One. Gotta be the men's right here, Air Force One Craft. So as you can see right here, Air Force One Craft, white and white. So boom. Okay, so when Nike.com restock, I bought this one because when the resale value is kind of a little bit high, because maybe it's just because of the quality of the leather. And as you can see, there's a different leather quality, and this type on the swoosh is kind of croc skin something, and it was really nice, including here on the back. So as you can see right there, man, ang ganda ng kulay nito. Triple white nga, pero yung quality ng leather, the quality of the leather is so very nice. And I made a profit of $30, by the way. So ang next ay yung Jordan 1 Mid SE All-Star Weekend. Sold 9.5, tapos meron pa tayong size 10. So ayun nga, last pair na ng size 9.5 natin. Paubos na ito. Kahit tapos na ang NBA Finals, meron pa rin tayong nabebentang ganito All-Star Weekend. Yan, no? Ganda ng kulay nito, di ba? So next one, we saw the Air Jordan 1 Low SE grade school ulit. Sabi, take flight. It's somewhere right there. Okay, so here we go. We got the Air Jordan 1 Low SE Blue Hero Bright, but it says take flight somewhere around here, as you can see right there. Okay naman yung color niya, simple lang, pero parang sobra yata, pero okay, pambata naman kasi. So magkano ba ang retail nito? Nakuha natin siya ng $85 at nabenta natin siya ng $132. Meron muna naman tayo nabentang women's Air Force One na University Blue, yung changing color na Air Force One, but this one is size 10.5. See, someone still buying on that size, even though these ones are women's. This should be at least good as size of 9 or 9.5, something like that. Okay, so next one, we sold another last pair of these running shoes, Nike Odyssey React Shoe Shield. Retail nga pala nito is $137. Tapos nabenta natin siya ng we bought it for $44.97, additional 30% off siya sa Nike Factory Store, at nabenta natin siya sa GOAT ng $88. So that is more than 100% return of investment. Shoes needed to be shipped out. We got the Jordan magazine, more On the Air Force One, we got about three pairs of the Air Force Ones and some Jordan All-Star Weekends. What we sold is the Air Force One. We sold 11 and a half and also 10 and a half, and also one pair of 5 and a half as well, another 11 and a half. Okay, so that's it. So ayun nga, hindi ko akalain na ganito kabilis maubos itong sapatos na to, no? Yung color changing Air Force One. So halos ubos na yung size 11, tig-isa sa coat. Tapos may mali na naman akong nagawa, hindi ko na naman na-update yung sizing dito. Sa 10 and a half ubos na. And then mayroon pa akong last pair ng 5, and most are halos 5 piraso na lang. Yan. So actually magre-restock na naman yata sila. So pag nag-restock ulit, dadamihan ko na talagang kukuha. Actually magkano nga pala ang resell natin? Nabenta nga pala natin to sa, yung benta natin sa GOAT is 189. I mean sa eBay is 189. Kasunod is yung Jordan 1 Mid na tawag nito All-Star Weekend. So yan. Uy, konti na lang pala. Last pair na ng 8 and a half. At tapos 10 and a half na lang natitira. Ang retail nga pala nito is 125. Nabenta ba natin to ng $40 ROI or return of profit. So ayos. Last na to. Last na to 8 na, size 8 nga pala. Tapos nag-iisa na lang yung 10 and a half. So ngayon ngayon pwede ko nang pag-isipan na talagang ikikip ko na yung size 10 and a half. So yun. And then another one, Jordan Magazine 200. That is a grade school lang to. Murang ang kuha natin to. Nakuha lang yata natin to ng $39, pero nabenta natin yan ng 62. So next one is yung Women's Air Jordan 1 Mid na University Blue. Kung ba na tinawag University Blue ito? Dahil dyan kaya. So yun, no? Pero okay naman siya, di ba? Ganda. Okay lang. Magkano benta natin dyan? So magkano nga palang kuha natin? Nakuha natin yan ng $115. So kumita tayo ng $30 dyan. Tapos ang kasunod is yung Air Max 270. Nandito lang yan. Yan, 8 and a half. Okay, yun. So ito benta natin siya ng 108. Yan. So ang kuha natin to is I think $79.97, additional 30% sa Nike Factory Store. So ayan, paubos na siya. Halos wala na. Yun na lang titira, mga dalawa siguro, tatlo. Next one, ito yung Jordan 1 Mid na black and purple. So yan, parang blue to, pero purple to ha. Anyway, ito nakuha natin to sa Nike Factory Store. It's been sitting 4 months on Nike Factory Store and not a lot of people in buying. And the thing is, this first week they limit 1 per person, and then the couple weeks they just let it go for 5 pairs for 1 customer, because the shoe has been sitting, no one's buying. Magkano ba ang kuha natin dyan? Nakuha natin yan ng ang sale is 125, but I had additional discount, so I make at least $30 return of investment on those. And then some of the Jordan 11s ay lumalabas na sila. Itong cute na maliit na to. So ayan, the 89C. Tapos meron pa tayong 6Y, benta rin natin yan. I think 189, halos kulang-kulang $50. Sold is the Timberland boots and another 1 pair of the Jordan 1 Low SE. Okay, Air Jordan 1 Low SE grade school. Take flight, and I think And we got this one for $85, and we made at least a profit of $45 on this pair. At tapos ito na kuha natin ng clearance. As you can see, they're already tagged $59.99. That's on clearance already. So nakuha natin yan ng $69. We sold it for $151.